You're hosting an event in the next few weeks.
Oh my gosh!
IRL gatherings don't happen as often as we'd like, so when you do finally put something special on the calendar, why not celebrate with custom printed t-shirts? In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create a t-shirt from scratch in the Custom Ink Design Lab, how to use Design Lab tools to give your design that personal touch, and how to order everything and not pay a dime up front. And we're going to do it all in 5 minutes. To get started, head over to customink.com and open the Design Lab. On your left, you'll find your t-shirt toolbar. On your right, you'll see your beautifully blank tee, the canvas for your masterpiece. But before we get into actually designing your shirt, check out the product toolbar at the bottom of the page. From here, you can change the color of the shirt you have, change the material, the cut, the type of apparel, and you don't even have to design a t-shirt. In this video, we're talking about t-shirts, but the truth is, Custom Ink has a catalog of thousands of products available for custom printing. You can find a link to the Custom Ink store in the description below. From here, you want to pick a design path. Which sounds more like you? Do you already have a design, maybe a logo or assets from past marketing campaigns? Or are you truly starting from square one? If you don't have a design, that's okay. You don't need one. Just stick around or skip ahead to this timestamp. Let's start with those of you who already have an image you'd like to import into the Design Lab. So say you already have an image on your computer you want to use for your t-shirt. You can drag and drop it right into the Design Lab. Or you can click the Uploads button to browse for it on your hard drive. For a crisp print and vibrant color, high-resolution images are the way to go. Aim for PNGs with a DPI of at least 300. Custom Ink has a quality assurance team that reviews every order, so if your design looks blurry or weird, we'll flag it and let you know how you can fix it. Okay, but what if you're not a graphic designer? You're just an amateur event planner with a dream. Custom Ink has a library of free art and font options to choose from. So when we say anyone can design a t-shirt, we mean it. Click Add Art and browse our categories, or search using the search bar above. Want to add text? Click the Add Text button and type in the name of your event or whatever your heart desires. Everything you add will appear on the shirt you selected. Not easy enough? Okay. We can make it easier. Custom Ink has hundreds of design templates for every occasion and in dozens of popular styles. All you have to do is edit the text or play with the colors to make it your own. Still not easy enough? Then try feeding your craziest t-shirt design into Custom Ink AI. One prompt will generate 4 options that you can click and drag right into your t-shirt. Now comes the fun part. Time to turn this digital pile of images and text into a bona fide t-shirt design. We call it a lab for a reason, folks. Great design takes a little experimentation. But before we break out the beakers and the Bunsen burners, I want to share with you the secret to great t-shirt design. The pros know it, and deep down you know it, but you just don't realize it. The secret is simplicity. You said it yourself, you have an event to plan, so follow this checklist. A clean logo or one bold image. A handful of text, 1 or 2 fonts max. Contrasting colors, dark colors on a light shirt, light colors on a dark shirt. Speaking of colors, quick cost-saving tip. The number of different ink colors in your design affects the cost per tee. For the most budget-friendly t-shirts, stick to 1 to 3 ink colors. So what can you do with Design Lab tools? You might have already noticed that when you drag your art or text, a guide box appears over the tees to help you center your design. Anyone with experience taking pictures on their smartphone will recognize a lot of tools in the Design Lab. There's resize to grow or shrink your design without stretching it. Rotate to spin your design clockwise or counterclockwise. Crop to trim off parts of the design. Zoom in and out to get up close and personal or give your design a little space. Flip to turn your design across the X or Y axis. Duplicate to double, triple, and quadruple your design with the click of a button. And undo and redo buttons in case you accidentally take things a little too far or not far enough. To edit the color of your image, click Edit Colors. Select which color you want to change and play around with our palette of color options. The design on the shirt will update as you go. The same functionality is available for text, plus bonus tools for switching up the font and adding an outline. Try adjusting the outline thickness for a little extra oomph. When you have your own t-shirt design exactly how you want it, click the Save and Share button at the bottom of the screen. Title your masterpiece and sign it with an email address so Custom Ink can send you a link to your new design. You can then share your design with friends, coworkers, or family for their input before you order. You can order your custom tee one of two ways. The traditional way is in one bulk order, and Custom Ink can accommodate that. But that could require a lot of logistics. How many shirts of each size? Who's getting what? Are we going to collect money from people up front, or do we have money in the budget to cover it? Who's going to hand out the shirts when they arrive? To simplify the ordering process, Custom Ink provides group ordering at no additional cost. That means once you finalize your t-shirt design, all you have to do is share the link with your friends, family, or team. They can pick up the sizes they want and pay individually. Best of all, their t-shirts are shipped to their doorsteps, not yours. And that's it! Visit Custom Ink Design Lab and create a custom t-shirt today.